तत्सवितुर्वरं रूपम् ज्योतिः परस्य धीमहि यन्नः सत्येन दीपयेत्।
Come, lift the banner high, hold high its name, keep bright the flame. Hooray to Oro Mira Center of Education on 25th anniversary of being a school with the differences proves it all. Here we are going to celebrate the foundation day of our school in a unique way. The school you love, the school we love. Hooray to Oro Mira Center of Education, Patiala.
Beyond words, above thought, the flame of an intense aspiration must always burn steady and bright. Welcome to our school. Oro Mira Center of Education, Patiala was founded on 24 July 1998. It is an English medium co-educational school that provides integral education. The word Oro was derived from Sri Aurobindo's name, who was a great Indian philosopher, yogi and nationalist. The word Mira was derived from mother's name Mira Alfasa, who was the spiritual partner of Sri Aurobindo. Our school's head office is at Puducherry. Our pillars and strength: all management members, principal ma'am, teachers and sub-staff members are the 4 pillars of our school who work really hard to nurture us. Moreover, parents are the upholders of our school who provide essential support every time to uplift our school to great heights.
Our values: superior intellectual abilities, above average school achievements, a good emotional adjustment and attitude favorable to pupils, participation in school and community affairs, emphasis on extracurricular activities like music, yoga, dance, etc.
Achievements of our school in various fields. The awards and achievements received by our school has not only enriched the glory of our school but has also inspired us to work with great dedication to explore and excel. Here are some of the awards and achievements received by our school.
Our school has got felicitated by FAP for the Best School State 2021 in the category of Best Innovative Teaching Practices. Another is the National Award received by our school for Best Eco-Friendly School category in year 2022.
It is a big honor for our visionary principal Miss Chinmay to receive a national award by FAP in the category of Best Dynamic Principal.
इन सब के अतिरिक्त हमारे विद्यालय के कुछ प्रतिभाशाली विद्यार्थियों ने विभिन्न खेल प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लिया और कई पुरस्कार भी जीते। कई विद्यार्थी स्टेट लेवल के विजेता रहे और आगे नेशनल लेवल तक भी पहुंचे, जिनमें से कुछ इस प्रकार हैं। क्रिकेट: श्रुति यादव स्टेट लेवल, हरनाज स्टेट लेवल, आर्यन यादव नेशनल लेवल, प्रभ सिमरन इंटरनेशनल लेवल। बैडमिंटन: अर्नब स्टेट लेवल, गुरमोहन जोत स्टेट लेवल, गुरसीरत स्टेट लेवल, योगा सूर्यांश, अलीशा, तनवीर, विनीता, आयुषी, सुभ्री, राघव, दीक्षा, कुदरत, जशनप्रीत नेशनल लेवल, स्विमिंग तृप्त, सतकरतार स्टेट लेवल, जूडो तने नेशनल लेवल। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेलों में भी हमारा स्कूल अव्वल दर्जे पर अपना स्थान रखता है।
Students have huge thoughts in their minds and a wandering mind as well, which if properly channelized can lead to classic creations. This talent could be taken out through the medium of an exhibition. Our school provides this platform to the students.
It's a great sense of joy to organize an exhibition. Exhibition is a feast for the eyes. We organize flower arrangement exhibition every year on 21st Feb. We celebrate 21st Feb as Mother's Day because it's Mother Meera's birthday on this day.
Our school has been organizing exhibitions in different areas for the all-round development of the children. For example, exhibitions based on the qualities given by mother. Another exhibition depicts the four aspects of the mother as Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, Maheshwari and Mahakali, which broadens the views of the children. Along with these, an exhibition was also held to portray Sri Aurobindo's life. Our students and teachers have also contributed their talent in compiling a storybook named Receptivity, one of the quality given by Sri Ma. Co-curricular activities are extensions of academic activities and have a potential of developing the intellect of a student and relieves stress. Intra-house and inter-house activities have been organized from time to time. We have organized innumerable competitions not only for the students but also for the parents. Our students have participated in different competitions like Shabad Gayan competition, flower arrangement competition, cooking without fire, sari draping, participation of parents in modeling, celebrating different festivals, plantation activity, sports day celebration, annual function. We also celebrate Darshan days of Sri Arvind and Sri Ma to seek their blessings.
An educational trip is very useful. It enables students to visit different places and they learn many things. It enriches their knowledge and broadens their outlook.
Our school has also organized recreational and religious trips for educative purpose to many different places like Kapurthala Science City, Kurukshetra, Sanawar Nature Camp, Solan Summer Valley, Shiv Jot Farms, Chatbir Zoo, Puducherry, Oro Valley, Haridwar, Mussoorie, Chapparchiri, and many more. Hence, these trips help students to unplug, socialize, and get to know each other better outside the classroom and experience new environment.
श्री अरविंद सोसाइटी और हमारे विद्यालय के लिए यह गर्व का विषय है कि पिछले वर्ष पूरे भारत और हमारे स्कूल में श्री अरविंद जी की 150वीं जयंती बहुत हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाई गई। इस अवसर पर हमारे विद्यालय ने कई समारोह आयोजित किए।
श्री अरविंदो जी की 150वीं जयंती के अवसर पर प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने श्री अरविंदो जी के सम्मान में एक स्मारकीय सिक्का एवं डाक टिकट जारी किया।
हमारे विद्यालय की ओर से अध्यापकों के व्यवहारिक कौशल के विकास के लिए समय समय पर कई कार्यशालाओं का भी आयोजन किया जाता है और अध्यापकों को वर्ष में एक बार शैक्षिक प्रशिक्षण के लिए पुडुचेरी, दिल्ली आश्रम, नैनीताल, बेंगलुरु आदि स्थानों पर भी भेजा जाता है। इन स्थानों से कई कुशल विद्वानों को हमारे विद्यालय में आमंत्रित भी किया जाता है, जो अपने जीवन से संबंधित अनुभवी विचारों को हमारे साथ बांटकर हमारी प्रगति में अमूल्य योगदान देते हैं। कोई शिक्षा तभी लाभदायक हो सकती है जब वह पूरी तरह सच्ची और निष्कपट हो, यानी वह जिस क्षण दी जाए उस क्षण उसे जिया भी जाए। भौतिक चीजों के बारे में बोलते समय हमारी शैली सजीव, मनोहर और विनोदपूर्ण होनी चाहिए। प्राणिक चीजों के बारे में बोलते समय शैली भावपूर्ण होनी चाहिए। मानसिक चीजों के बारे में बोलते समय शैली स्पष्ट, सुनिश्चित और यथार्थ होनी चाहिए। चैत्य चीजों के बारे में बोलते समय हमें अंतः प्रेरित होना चाहिए। विद्यालय में अध्यापक और विद्यार्थी दोनों की प्रगति का अवसर होना चाहिए। हर एक को मुक्त रूप से विकसित होने का अवसर मिलना चाहिए।
अंत में हमारी यही प्रार्थना है कि हम वीर योद्धा बने। यह हमारी अभीप्सा है। अतीत ज्यों का त्यों बना रहना चाहता है, परंतु उसके विरुद्ध जो भविष्य उत्पन्न होने वाला है, उसके महान युद्ध को हम सफलता के साथ लड़ें, जिसमें नवीन चीज़ें अभिव्यक्त हों और हम उन्हें ग्रहण करने के लिए तैयार हो जाएं।